I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated.
What is this?
No, like I really don't. Ooh.
Spending!
Spending! I might have taken advantage of the you can get one thing. So, we don't do a mail call
Yet.
because we're still working on that. But the other awesome thing that did is that we got a letter. Blue Wave Odyssey sent us a letter.
All right,
So-
open it up.
So we're gonna open it up and see what they sent us.
Woo.
Super excited. We got our Blue Wave Odyssey sticker. So now we can send one back, and we got a letter. And it reads, "Hey Kyle and Ryan, here is your sticker from Blue Wave Odyssey. We would love to have one of yours when you get them. We are so glad you are a part of this community. You are so active and supportive. We appreciate that. We will be following your adventures on YouTube and wish you all the best, Bob and Debbie."
Aww.
They're
yay.
friggin' rock. Yeah. We are heading down to the garage because I believe that we are gonna. Oh, did
Fall
you see
down
that?
the stairs.
Did you
We're
see
gonna
that?
fall down the stairs today. Okay, he saved my life now.
I'm not sure because really,
What in the? What is that?
I am so
What
in
is
trouble.
There's
Okay.
20. What is this?
So I've been trying to hide and try to keep her away from the garage as much as possible
One.
for my addiction.
One.
I think I took advantage and added a 0 to her 1. Hi, I'm Kyle, and I have an addiction, and my wife is the best wife in the whole world. Ryan is a rock star, and she is awesome and great, and yeah. Let's see what I got.
Oh, Jesus. All right, let's look at this.
Okay, so you know how some people do like just an unboxing of one thing? Well, all of this showed up real recently and I was able to keep it somewhat hidden for the most part. I actually don't even know what this is. This showed up the other day.
Oh, so, you know, hopefully it's supposed to be on
You know
this
that
video.
fear in the commercial or whatever, whenever you see the UPS or the FedEx or Amazon show up at the house and then you start getting scared because you can't remember what you ordered or when you ordered it. Oh! Okay, so this is the wiring set of the drone that I broke the other day because I don't listen.
Listening.
So I got my American flag installed. So to represent my Irish heritage, we got the Irish flag, and you'll see it mounted on old Betsy here pretty quick. So this one, oh yeah. So my oldest son plays Dungeons and Dragons, and he had mentioned something about a dice set. I know nothing about it, but I ordered it anyways. I hope he likes it. And then there's some special bag that they go in. Okay, I actually didn't remember what this one is. Ooh. Okay, so this is the swivel mount. I ordered a swivel mount because we were running into spots to put the GoPro to get a good shot. So this is one that I can mount up here, and then we can swivel it and place it in whatever direction we want.
I think he's a little jelly of changing lanes.
Changing lanes has got a pretty cool setup. So not that I'm trying to copy you, but I'm trying to copy you. And then okay, so I fancy cigars, and right now during the quarantine we're not allowed to go to like my favorite spot, so I called them and they shipped me a package of cigars. These are my favorites. The Connecticut's that they have up at the Weston Cigar Company, which is an amazing place. Video on that's coming soon. And so yeah, I made a mistake of getting on eBay the other day. So I got another GoPro to get more angles and extra stuff. And so now we can get like multiple angles. It's for our channel, babe.
Oh, is it? Is it?
I don't remember what this was.
Oh.
So, unboxing. Ooh. I forgot.
Amazon has been revoked.
There's gonna be a lock on my account now. This is the gimbal, another gimbal, but for a GoPro. Because we noticed that when we walk around with it, how crazy it was. And okay, so in all truth and honesty, this is what she originally said I could order, and only this. And I kind of ran with it.
Yeah.
But my wife is awesome, and I love her. She is the bestest in the world. But stick around. We're gonna unbox these and get them out and test them out. So you guys are gonna be pretty excited. At least I hope you're excited as I am.
I mean, do you want to talk about the big case?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So
Hey, go ahead and tell people what happened with this whole case and what the wife said when it came to buying this. What did the wife say?
wife said that, so we have a Traeger grill. You've seen us grilling stuff on it. Because of our downsizing and simplifying, the grill can't go with us. So I was making an arrangement for the grill to be sold. And theoretically, I had it sold. Theoretically. Had a buddy that said he wanted it and said he'd get it this week. So I found this online at a really good deal. RV Kids TV. This is what I got at a really good deal. So I was making arrangements, and she told me the grill had to go first, and I promised her that the grill would be gone by the end of the week, so we could replenish the money spent on this.
So what happened?
The next day, I got a text from my buddy who said he wants to wait on the grill.
Oh.
So money wasn't replenished.
Oh. Dang.
This is what I'm super excited about. This is the DJI Phantom. And yeah, so this is where the camera was, because I didn't listen. Hence the new wiring. But there's the camera that was supposed to be on here. But this is a setup.
But it came with a bunch of extras, right?
Yeah, actually I got a really phenomenal deal on it. 2 batteries, additional wings because you do stuff like this.
Who does?
Because you don't watch all the tutorial all the way through.
Oh.
So stuff like this happens.
Because we get excited and we don't play with expensive toys right now.
Yes.
Oh.
So lucky for me, I have an ample supply of propellers. The controller, I got a car charger, the home charger, and we're looking into an adapter for this that will actually allow me to put the GoPro on it. But my Amazon account is revoked currently.
Yeah. Until when?
I'm not really sure. She hasn't given me a date on that. So currently it's in the basket. Love you guys.
Is this what I think it is?
Oh, snaps!
Oh.
Open
Let's
it.
look.
Open it.
Let's look.
It is.
But now we officially
Our
have
stickers.
our stickers.
We are officially stickered now.
Whoa.
Oh, snap. So those people who have sent us stickers, we will be sending these out. We are super excited.
So anybody that wants a sticker, send us an email.
Absolutely. That's knrdestinations@gmail.com.